What's good, Jays? YouTube. Coming through with another video for you guys. And this is going to be a fairly short topic, but it's a very beneficial one. And I want to give you guys this information, to give you guys this motivation and this different outlook, an outlook that you should have on your life no matter what. This is some real fucking shit right here. This is some real talk. How to party and how to have fun while staying focused, while staying disciplined. Do you know how fucking important this is, bro? Key words here. You can still party. You can still have fun. You can still do these things. I do these things. Not every single weekend, but I still do these things. And honestly, you can go out every weekend. You can. If you do the right things. For me, I still don't go out every single weekend. I'll give up a weekend. I'll give up 2 weekends. I'll give up 3 weekends sometimes. That's just me. But you can do this and still win in life. You might not win as big as maybe you'd like to, because then it depends how big you want to win. But listen, you can still win in life, have a good life, and still go out every weekend and have fun. But if you want to do this, and you want to have focus in your life, and if you want to live a good life and have a better future, you need to stay focused and disciplined if you're going to go out and have fun and party and hang out with the boys and bang some chicks and do these things. You gotta be smart about this shit, bro. So, what do most people do when they go out and party? They sort of have a plan in advance, right? They go and they buy a bunch of alcohol. They'll go to the club, they'll buy a whole bunch of alcohol at the club, wasting money, so much money. A drink for $5 or over $5? Really? Really, bro? If I go to the club, I will not buy more than one fucking drink. I'll buy one drink, bro, that whole night at the club. And I'm about to get in to what I do. And little secrets and tactics you can use to still have a good fucking night. You don't have to buy 80 drinks at the club. Let some dumb fuck do that. Oh, I got all the money, let's buy drinks, bro. You are a stupid motherfucker. You're stupid, bro. And you don't understand what you're doing right now. What else do people do when they go to the clubs? They get way too dickered. Now they're fucked the next day, and the next day, and they're not the same even 3 days after, 4 days after. I don't care who you are, you will not be the same after these days. You will not get as much done in a fucking day as you should after getting dickered like that. You gotta be smart about this shit. Think in advance. Think of a game plan in advance when you are going out. Think about that. Have a plan for before you get there, what you're going to drink, what you're going to do before you get there. You should buy a little bit of alcohol before you get there, so you're feeling good when you walk in, so you don't have to buy 80 fucking drinks. Like a lot of idiots do. Waste so much money. Trying to look fucking cool. You're not going to look cool, bro, when you're that 30, 35, 40-year-old still at the fucking club doing the same shit, broke as a motherfucker. Crying your ass off because you can't get a piece of pussy because the best ones are taken. Drink a little bit before you get there. If you have to drink a good amount, drink just enough, bro. Don't get hammered. Just drink enough. Get there. Buy maybe a drink, 2, 3 tops. No more, bro. Me, 1 drink. That's it. Walk around with 1 fucking drink in your hand that whole night. I don't even walk around with a fucking drink in my hand. I'll take one shot of hard liquor, usually tequila. I'll walk around with a glass of ice in my fucking hand and chew on that shit. If I walk around with anything in my hand. Chewing gum. Having a good time because I'm already buzzed. I don't need to go and buy 80 fucking drinks. You should have a plan, like I said before you get there, the plan that I just mentioned. You should have a plan for when you're leaving as well. What are you gonna do this night? You should think about recovery the moment the party is fucking done. You should get into recovery mode after the party is done. You had your fun? Okay. Now go into recovery mode so you can function the next day and get some shit done. And continue on. Do shit like this now so you can have more fun when you're a little bit older. You can relax a little bit more when you're older. You can have a better time when you're older. While people are still slaying and hating every fucking thing that they're doing because they paid a heavy ass price. They paid a price. Paid the price of being a fucking idiot in their youth. Wasting time. Your time's not free, bro. Time is priceless. And once it's gone, you can't get it back. You can buy whatever the fuck you want. You can make money and buy whatever you want with that money. You cannot buy your time back, bro. And we're all told this. Most of us are told this when we're younger. Use your time wisely. Our parents are telling us this shit. For the most of us. I can't speak for you. I don't know your parents. But for the most part, we're all told this shit. Use your time wisely. Don't be a fucking idiot. And it's true. And you're not going to understand this until you get to about your mid-20s. You might understand this a little bit earlier if you mature faster a little bit earlier, because some people do. I did. I was paying a good fucking price when I turned the age of like 19. I was even doing it big when I was 18. I was doing the right things. I was making a shitload of money, hustling my ass off. So I'll say at 18 I was doing this shit, bro. 18. 24 years old now, still on my grind. And I fucking like to party, bro. I like to let loose. I like to have a good time. And I stay disciplined during this time. I have fun while I'm having fun. And when the fun's over, it's right back to grind mode. Why do I need to self-sabotage myself just to fit in with all these fucking idiots that are going to be fucked up the next day, the next day, the next day? Just to feel a little bit normal again coming out at the end of the week. And then they fall right back fucking down and do the same shit over and over and over again, and it is a sick ass cycle. Your health's fucked, your mental health is fucked, your bank account is fucked. Everything is fucked. Now you're depressed. Now you have anxiety. Now you're thinking about a whole bunch of shit you should be doing that you're not doing. Now you're in a fucking deep dark hole, bro. Think about that. That could be you, bro, or it cannot be you. Take this advice, man. Take this advice. And sis, there's a lot of fucking females that do this too. Wake up. Wake up. Life ain't a fucking party. That shit is the Matrix. You want to fall down into the fucking Matrix and avoid your fucking life and everything you could be and everything you could do to live a better life when it actually matters, when it actually counts. Some people say, oh, you're young, just party, just let loose, just do these things. Okay, do that. Tell me how that goes. We are our most able when we are younger. Get the hard shit done when we are this fucking age right now. So whenever we're not as able, when we slow down a little bit in our later years, now we don't have to fucking dig and claw like we have to right now. You choose when you have to dig and claw, bro. Some people will dig and fucking claw for their entire life Because they didn't dig and claw hard enough when they were younger. They might have worked hard, a little bit hard, just seldom average work, but they'll do that for the rest of their life. You should dedicate the fucking time right now, bro. Now you have freedom. Now you have a whole bunch of things that is going to make your life so much fucking better because you fucking dug. You dug down while all these other idiots made stupid ass decisions. Just little tweaks, bro. This is what it takes. Inches. Life is a game of inches. Think about that. Drinking a whole bunch of alcohol, being a fucking fool. You're ruining the next couple days of your life just to do it all over again. Just to do it all over again. You know how many days this is that you're not being productive? Do you know where your life could be if you were productive in those days that you just let slip by because you got too dickered? Think about that. And you continue to do it. It's not like you just did it once. Some people will go out and they'll get hammered for one night, but they won't do it again for like a year. I'm not against that. If you want to let loose, let loose. Don't fucking do that every weekend, bro. You want to celebrate for a special occasion? That's understandable. That's understandable. I don't do it anymore, but I used to. I wouldn't even do it now. Maybe once a year. Maybe. But I didn't do it in the last literally 4 or 5 fucking years. Didn't do it. Don't have to. I'm happy with going out, keeping these principles, to stay disciplined. It does not make me happy to get dickered, to wake up to feel like the fucking whole world's caving in on me because of how much damage I just did to my body. That shit's not fun. What's fun is not getting sick. What's fun is being able to function the next day and you still had a blast that night. That is fun. That's fun. Why the fuck should you fit in with all these other idiots that are doing this shit? They're fucking up their life. They might not think so. They might be in school and thinking, we're gonna get good jobs, we're gonna get paid, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that. Okay, bro. Okay. Tell me how that goes. Tell me how that goes. Let's see how happy they are with their lives. Let's see. This is how it is, bro. This is real talk. This is real talk. This is deep shit. What do? I talk about deep ass shit. Everything that comes out of my mouth is truth. These are things I think about myself. I share this with you guys. Because I know where my life's headed. I know in the direction that I'm going. I'm fucking focused, bro. I'm fucking focused. And I'm willing to die so I can live comfortably in my later years. And I still live good now. Not as good as I will later on. I'm fucking digging like a motherfucker right now. I'm in the struggle right now. The struggle, listen to this. What the struggle is, look, I live just as good as everybody else right now. That's the struggle. Living like everybody else is the fucking struggle. The struggle, when the struggle ends is whenever you have that comfort. You can take a day off whenever the fuck you want. You don't have to go anywhere you don't want to go. You don't have to talk to anybody you don't want to talk to. That's getting out of the struggle. That's having your own fucking freedom. That's true alpha male red pill shit right there. That's what that is, bro. Most people are in the struggle. Most people are. You could be making $4,000 a month, working a good ass job that you got any university with. But if you're spending fucking 8, 10, 12 hours a day at a job for the rest of your life until you get older, I don't give a fuck how much money you make, bro. That's miserable. That's miserable. I don't know if you're gonna admit that or not, but to me, that would be fucking miserable. To me. If you like it that fucking much, bro, that's amazing. That's amazing. But me, fuck no. Fuck no. And you can't lie to yourself with that shit, bro. Because a lot of people do that too. Yeah, I love what I do. I love what I do. Yeah, I love what I do. You can see it in their eyes. They don't. At all. They would so much rather not be doing what they're doing. So much. It's all about discipline, bro. It's all about these little things. You could have your drinks ready for after the bar. And when I'm talking about drinks, I'm talking about drinks with fucking electrolytes in them, bro, to rehydrate. You should have all your water ready. You should have all this shit on the go. Water with fucking lemon or lime squeezed in it. Have a fucking Gatorade. Have something that's gonna spike fucking nutrients back into your fucking brain. Get yourself up and alive again, bro. Because the alcohol is just gonna put you down. The alcohol is just gonna get you depressed. Just like everybody else that does this shit all the time. Complaining all the time. I'm depressed. I wonder fucking why. Is it that big of a fucking, like, it's not rocket science. Look at your actions. Stop complaining. Or fix your actions. If you're doing all the right things and you're still depressed, then let's talk. But until then, you're just being a fucking idiot. Talking about being depressed, and you're taking these actions every fucking weekend. Doing this shit all the time. It's just an idiot. You should have your fucking days planned out. You don't have to be perfect, but understand what you have to do to feel good. Because as long as you feel good, as long as you're healthy, you're gonna automatically take the right actions in your life. Some people get really fucking intense and have a whole schedule for every single day. That's fucking intense. That's intense. You can do that, but you don't necessarily have to. With me, I don't have to, because I'm smart enough to know what the fuck I gotta do. I don't gotta write it down. There's a lot of shit that people say you should have to write down, that you should write it down so you get it done. There's a lot of things that I get done that I don't write down. It's written down in here. It's written down in here. I'm a highly intelligent fucking person. I don't have to write it down. I could, but I don't. Because what is that doing? That's a little bit of extra waste of time when it's just right here. I don't have to do it. I already know. It's just highly intelligent. That's what it is. I'm turned on. I'm turned on by life. You have to be this way if you want to live a better life in your later years. Keep this in mind, boys, girls. Keep this in mind. Seriously. Something to think about. I'm going to cut this video short. I got to take a shower and get the fuck out of here right now. I'll be back with another video. Until next time, I'm out.